morning, students. Let us start with our exercise 9.1. Question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Now, rational number means -1 by 1 and 0 is equal to 0 by 1. Okay? Now, what we will do? We have to multiply this 1 with any number to make the denominator same. So, -1 by 1 into, let us take 10. 10. You can take any other number also. 9, 8, 12, 15, whatever you want, you can take. So, this is -1 into 10, -10 by 10. 0 by 1 into 10 is equal to 10 and 0. Now we have to write the rational number between -10 by 10 and 0 by 10. Rational numbers between -10 by 10 and 0 by 10. So, you know which are they? -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10. Now here it is given list 5 rational numbers. So we will write 5 rational numbers. Next is -6 by 10 and -5 by 10. Understood? These are the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. The next sum is -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. 5 rational numbers we have to write between these two rational numbers. Now what we will do? We will make the denominator same. Here you can make 5 into 3, 15. But you will not get 5 rational numbers between by making the denominator 15. So we will make bigger denominator. Okay. So 45. Let us take 45. -4 by 5 into 9 is equal to 5 nines are 45 and -4 into 9 -36. Now next, this one, -2 by 3 into 15 is equal to 45 and -30. Now see, -36 by 45 and -30 by 45, you will get 5 rational numbers. Now see, the rational numbers between -36 by 45 and -30 by 45 are -35 by 45, -34 by 45, -33 by 45, -32 by 45 and -31 by 45. Now you can make here the denominator 60 also by multiplying 12. That is your choice. Okay. This is your homework. Question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Now you have to write 4 more rational numbers. Now see what pattern is going on. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 3 2s are minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Now see 5 3s are 15. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Now 5 4s are 20. And minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So 2, 3, 4. Now what will come? What will come? 5. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. And minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Now next 5 6 are 30. 30 and minus 3 into 6 minus 18. Next 5. 5 7s are 35. 35 and minus 3 into 7 minus 21. Next after that 5 8s are 40 and minus 3 into 8 minus 24. This is the pattern. Okay. Second, minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. Now see here. Here the numerator is in minus, denominator is positive. But the next pattern, what they have done? They removed the minus from the numerator and they done the minus in the denominator. Now that means minus 6 into 2 is minus 12 and 1 into 2 is 2 because they removed the minus from the numerator. Now minus 6 into 3 minus 18. Numerator is 1 into 3 3. Minus 6 into 4 minus 24. 1 into 4 is 4. Now what will come? Minus 6 into 5. That is minus 30. And numerator 1 into 5 is 5. Next, minus 6 into 6 minus 36. And 1 into 6 is 6. Next, minus 6 into 7 minus 42. And 1 into 7 is 7. Minus 6 into 8 minus 48 and 1 into 8 is 8. Understood? Sum number B and D. This is your homework. Question number 3. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. Now you know equivalent rational number is obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now we want here 4 rational numbers. So first, minus 2 by 7 into 2 is equal to minus 4 by 14. Next, minus 2 into 3 divided by 7 into 3 is equal to minus 6 by 21. Next, minus 2 into 4 divided by 7 into 4 is equal to minus 8 by 28. Next, minus 2 into 5 by 7 into 5 is equal to minus 10 by 35. Now see, 4 rational number we want. So minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28 and minus 10 by 35. This way you will do sum number B and C, and this is your homework. Question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. First, 3 by 4. First see, this is positive rational number. That means they will come on the right side of 0. 3 by 4. I taught you in the introduction how you will find 3 by 4, where it will come. You can divide this and see. 0.47 are 28. Now see 0 and 7. Don't see here. See here 0. That means this comes between 0 and 1. Now this is 4. We will distribute here into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 by 4 means 1. So here our one, this is 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 will come here. This is 3 by 4. Understood? Next, minus 7 by 4. First see here, this is minus. That means this will come on the left side of 0. Now again, divide and see where it will come. 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 3. That means this will come, see here, this 1. This will come in between minus 1 and minus 2. Again see, the denominator is 4. That means we will distribute this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, again here also 4 equal parts. That means 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1 and a minus 1. Now we want minus 7 by 4. Now 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and 7 by 4. That means minus 7 by 4 will come here. Here it will come. Now minus 8 by 4. If it is minus 8 by 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then that will come here. Understood? Now B and D. This is your homework. Question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Name the rational number represented by P, Q, R and S. Now see, TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. Now see here, TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. That means they are divided in 3 equal parts. In the same way, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Here also divided into 3 equal parts. We have to find the rational number represented by P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S. Now P is equal to, now see where is P? P is between 2 and 3. That means 2 and, see here, 3 equal parts. That the first one is 2 plus 1 by 3. P is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. So P is equal to 7 by 3. In the same way you will find the Q. Now next we will find the value of R. Now see, R is on the negative side. Same way, R is equal to, R is between minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1 minus, see here also 1 by 3. 3 parts equally divided. 1 by 3. Same, minus 1 into 3, minus 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus minus plus. So minus 4 by 3. Therefore, R is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now, you will find the value of S like the same. Is it clear? Question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Now, what is same rational number? When we reduce this to the lowest form, it must be same. Now see, first is minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. Here it is simple. This one is negative and this one is positive. That means they are not equal. Now next, minus 16 by 20 and 20 by 25. Now let us reduce. Minus 16 by 20 divided by 4 is equal to 4 4s are 16 divided by 4 is 4 and minus 4 and 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next, 20 divided by minus 25. Now, let us divide this by 5. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4 and 25 divided by 5 is minus 5. Now, see, both are negative. Here numerator is a negative, here denominator is negative. That means they are equal. Therefore, minus 16 by 20 is equal to 20 by minus 25. Now next, D, minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 15. Now see, here this is already in lowest term. So what we will do? Let us multiply this 5 with 10. So 5 into 10 is 50 and minus 3 into 10 is minus 30. And the second is minus 12 by 15. That means they are not equal. So minus 3 by 5 is not equal to minus 12 by 50. Understood? C, E, F and G. This is your homework. Question number 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. To what we will do? We will divide these rational numbers with their HCF to convert them into the simplest form. Now, HCF of 8 and 6 is 2. So, minus 8 by 6 divided by 2 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4 and minus 4 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the simplest form of minus 8 by 6 is minus 4 by 3. Next is 25 by 45. So, HCF of 25 and 45 is 5. So, 25 divided by 45 divided by 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. So, the simplest form of 25 by 45 is 5 by 9. Now, 3 and 4. This is your homework. We will continue further in our next class.